Hey guys. It's iamMisterIRL. On this week's weekly recap, we have our host reacting to clips again. JinpaiSenpai. Rellik questions the people and gets a funny answer. JakenbakeLIVE rides in a race car. Jinnytty tries out a very big gun at gun range, and much, much more.
robcdee? That's just crazy. I would never do that.
Yeah,
nah.
so close to the finish line.
Dude, I'm such a dumbass. I would just fucking crash. Alright. Beep beep boo bumper. Beep boo bump.
Trip, missed the second day. Wait, you must be thinking of...
Why she's running like the fucking... Wait, she's running like Attack on Titan.
Wait, you must be thinking of...
Wait a second. Wait a second. Hold it, right? Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Good times. We got murda. Let's go.
Fucking Juan Force, not John Force, Juan Force, dog. You know what I'm saying? Here we go.
Air Force Swans.
Oh! The epic reverse launch. Oh shit.
Damn. You know, you know the SpongeBob meme where it's like,
Call a burner.
want to see me go around the world? I feel like that's what happened. I feel like he went so fast he went around the world, and it just looked like he was going backwards. Pretty sure. Hold up, let's slow motion this down. Hold up. All right. Okay, if you stop here, you can clearly see that it's clipping. He was just going so fast when he stopped it, like it flung him back. That's crazy, dude. See, let's EXBC. Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, I want to be that dog. That's crazy. Dude, come on. Are you joking me? That's insane.
Oh my god.
He noticed them too. He's like, and he's like, I'm too cool. I ain't got time for you guys. No paparazzi. No press, dude.
Oh my god.
That's epic. All right. Rellik.
Wow.
Wow.
How you doing?
Wow. There it is.
I'm with Twitch TV. I'm asking random questions tonight. So, how you doing?
What's up?
I'm with Twitch TV. I'm asking random questions live on the street tonight.
All right.
Do you want to answer one?
What's up with it?
If you woke up tomorrow as the opposite sex, what's the first thing you would do?
Sell some pussy.
What the hell? What?
Where?
Wow.
JakenbakeLIVE. Yep. Whoa. Jake got to drive one of those? That's fucking sick, man. That's sick. I don't know if I trust myself in one of those. Oh, he's not driving. Okay, right. Right, okay, yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah, this is very slow, man.
That was slow? Yeah, that's power.
That's slow? Holy shit. That car looks hella nice, man. It's hella nice. Yeah, you got overtaken, man. I wonder how much it costs to do that. Woo! Jesus, man. I know to like rent a Lamborghini, it's like a couple hundred for like a day. It's fucked. Murda again. Dude, that man just chilling right there. Look at him. He's just chilling. He's chilling. He doesn't even give a shit, dude. Dude, he got smoked.
Holy shit! That bitch was like a wild donkey.
Like a wild donkey.
Yeah,
Jinnytty.
hey, are you, like, yeah, or like, hey, are you Jinny? Is you on Twitch?
Oh.
What about? I'm a huge fan, bro. Really? Yeah. I would shake your hand, but
oh yeah, bro. Can I get a picture?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Bro?
Yeah.
So I watch you every day. Like, I'm such a fan. I'm like both of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, like, that's so sick. Like,
Yeah.
You guys are awesome.
Yeah, for sure. Have fun, dude.
That's crazy.
Just Dippin' Dot things.
Anyway,
The timing.
Paid actor. I've seen paid actor.
Do you pay him?
No, not yet. I owe him. I gotta give him $5 later.
That's crazy. Dude, getting stream sniped is the weirdest thing ever. That shit's weird as fuck. I remember like back when I was like first starting and I was drinking mustard and shit. I went to like an In-N-Out. Some dude rolled up and he was like, "Yo, you the guy who drinks mustard?" And I'm like, It's like, I don't. Yeah, that's me, dude. That was a weird time. I think Bronze was there for that. I had elote the other day. That shit was fire. It's real good.
Shit. Oh shit, dude. This guy's spitting on shit. Oh my god. Shit. What the fuck?
Trying to touch my fucking mom and shit. You know, I see you, motherfucker.
Is he yelling at Jake?
Motherfucker, that's it, motherfucker.
Holy shit.
Bitch, I'm a fucking get you, bitch. Fat ass bitch. Fucking
Who's he yelling at? Is he just tweaking?
Holy shit. Well, guys, this leads me into my segue of I'm very much so looking forward to our GTA RP experience starting on Wednesday, guys. We are in the No Pixel server. Guys, guess what? Wednesday we're starting up, and that was my segue into it.
I feel that.
Holy shit.
I feel that. Me after getting punched. Hey guys, I get punched in the face. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be staying inside for no reason. Also me after getting yelled at Venice Beach and told I was gonna get fucked up if I was streaming there. Hey guys, we're gonna be streaming at K-Town. Why no Venice Beach streams? I don't know. I don't know. I feel that shit, man. I feel that. All right, let's see. Jinny going at it with the guns? Holy shit. Don't stream snipe her. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Damn, she hit that cool, calm, and collected, man. That didn't even like phase her. That's nuts. Phase like the like the gamers, dude? No way. Oh my god, I get it. Wow, that's clever.
If you're interested in looking to getting whitelisted, please look below in the video description for links. You can also contact me direct message on Discord, email OutdoorIRL@gmail.com. or DM me on Twitter at OutdoorIRL. Thanks for watching. Please, if you found any value in this video, hit the like and subscribe. If you love Outdoor IRL content, hit the bell to get notified on other videos. See you next time guys.